Hello everyone. Thank you for joining in. A very warm welcome to the another session of Educational Outreach. It is an initiative started by GirlScript Community. Through the series, we are trying to connect active learners and industry folks so that they can learn upskill and basically learn about the practical insights and how to get into different open source, how to get into the top MNCs, interview hacks, and everything. And for the same reasons, we invite the professionals and guide experts so they can share and their journey and inspire us. So today also it's been a very special session because we have someone who is inspiring us right from the college era itself. So a very warm welcome to Aryan Maske. He is a final year BTech CSC student from A.G.Patil Institute of Technology, Solapur. Aryan has an hand-on experience into different domain, but precisely on front-end development and blockchain technology. And he's been already making impactful through contributing to the open source programs. We will be knowing more into the session itself. So he's and we are very proud to introduce that he has been active part of our GSoC Girls Script Summer of Code 2025 edition as a contributor as well as campus investor. So, in this session, Aryan will be covering the insights from different technology, blockchains precisely, and how his journey in the college area goes along, and how his journey unfold to the technical world, and how contributing to open source help him growing professionally, and how he's overcoming the challenges comes with him. So, without any further delay, please, Aryan, over to you. You
Thank you,
can
Jyoti
start.
ma'am. Yeah, thank you, Jyoti ma'am, and thank you for GSoC for giving me such a wonderful opportunity to give this session. So before starting, I would like to tell about something about like GSoC. Before getting into the GSoC contributions, we were looking for GSoC, Google Summer of Code. Actually, we came to know about open source contribution from then itself. As talking about GirlScript Summer of Code, so it is a very good platform for giving me a contribution. I have worked with many of the projects over there, sent a lot of PRs also, and being with a working with a team, such was a wonderful experience. Okay, so as you know, like people and mostly students, what they do, they actually looking for work which is related to AI related projects are there, or blockchain related projects are there. So this type of projects are giving most required in industries, right, from today itself. And blockchain is a such so today I'm delivering about blockchain technology. Okay, so this is the one of the technology which has not introduced completely in India itself, right? So we can what we can do is that we can create some such a projects with term related like to blockchains. Okay, so this is what I want to say about GirlScript and how we can contribute over there, and such, and we can put up our projects related to blockchain technologies and that all. Okay, so let us start about let us learn what is blockchain technology first of all. Okay, so just I will share my screen. If you have any of the doubts, you can just chat me over here. Okay, just a second. Yes, is my screen visible?
Yeah, it's visible, Aryan. You can proceed.
So let us understand blockchain technology. Basically, what does a blockchain defines? The name itself defines that blockchain is a chain of blocks. Okay, it's the decentralized distributed ledger. The term ledger is a database which is used in blockchain for the storing the data in blocks, transactions in blocks. Okay, so let us start. Just a second. Coming to here. So in simple terms, blockchain is a digital ledger. Okay, a type of database that stores information on a blocks and then unlinks in a chronological order. Okay, just you can imagine like a year itself. Okay, so this is my, yes, this is my block. Okay, so basically what does the blockchain is basically used for securing the data, for maintaining a transparency, and basically this blockchain terminologies are used by many of the security purposes in cyber security like domains. Okay, where this system work as a verification layer or trustworthy layer for maintaining and trust in verification process are there. Or like for a taken general example, as you know that every time we need to like we need to give documents, upload documents for verification purpose, and we don't know about that whether the documents are verified or not, or whether the documents are given by us, like we are whatever, like our government authorities are there. Many of the people, what they do, they provide fake documents, and the fake documents are created by people, okay, by editing and that and all. So what does the blockchain technology does that whenever we put our documents in blockchains, okay, what do they maintain a transparency. They check whether the documents are clear or issued by a government, I mean, ensured by a proper organizations or authorities. Okay, so it maintains the security layers. As we go through the security layers, this blockchain creates an transaction keys, or that transaction key is used for further verification purposes. Now I would like to share about some general about my project. Okay, so you can understand what the actual summary I want to say about blockchains and then project implementations. Blockchain in project implementation. Okay, so सो क्या हुआ था कि एक प्रोजेक्ट था, लाइक जब when I visited to SI site, they have there is an problem statement from government of Jharkhand. So क्या हो रहा था कि उधर जो लोग थे ना, उधर के लोग, उन्होंने क्या किया था कि उनको उनके जो एजुकेशन सिस्टम था, तो उनको ऐसा प्रॉब्लम आ रहा था कि जो उनके स्टूडेंट्स है वो फेक डिग्रीज तैयार कर रहे थे एडिटिंग करके, या फिर उसको में कुछ कीवर्ड्स मिसप्लेस करके, और वो जहां से इशू कर रहे थे वहां पे कुछ फोर्जरी, ये सब का जो ये सब चल रहा था। तो ये जो अभी का जो ट्रेडिशनल प्रोसेस था, तो वो हो गया था मैनुअली प्रोसेस। वो क्या कर कि हम डॉक्यूमेंट्स लेके आ रहे हैं, उनको फिजिकली वेरीफाई किया जा रहा था, एंड देन उसके बाद वो डॉक्यूमेंट्स वेरीफाई होके ओके भी जो हो रहे थे। सो प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट ये था कि उनको एक सिक्योरिटी सिस्टम चाहिए था। सो उन्होंने क्या किया कि जब स्टूडेंट्स ने जब इसमें ये किया आइडिया सबमिशन वो सब किया, ठीक है, और तब उन्होंने उनको ये क्या पता चला कि इसको हम रोक सकते हैं। व्हाट इज द बेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी टू अवॉइड दिस इश्यूज, दैट इज ब्लॉकचेन टेक्नोलॉजी। तो क्या करता है ब्लॉकचेन टेक्नोलॉजी में, जब अभी वो क्या होता है कि जब हम कौन सा भी डॉक्यूमेंट इशू करते हैं किसी भी साइट से, या फिर वो डिजी लॉकर हो, या फिर वो आधार कार्ड से हो, या फिर कौन सा भी प्लेटफॉर्म हो जहां से हमें डॉक्यूमेंट मिलता है, उस डॉक्यूमेंट को हम जब किसी वेरिफिकेशन के लिए देते हैं, तो वहां पे होता है एक मैनुअल प्रोसेस जो हमारे डॉक्यूमेंट्स वेरीफाई करके बोलता है कि हाँ दिस इज डॉक्यूमेंट्स आर राइट और रॉन्ग। लेकिन जब वो डॉक्यूमेंट्स ब्लॉकचेन के थ्रू हो जाता है, तब वो उसके साथ वो डॉक्यूमेंट नहीं जाता, उसका एक कॉन्ट्रैक्ट तैयार किया, स्मार्ट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट तैयार होते हैं। ठीक है, स्मार्ट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट क्या करते हैं, एक ट्रांजेक्शन का जो है ना उनका, वो ट्रांजेक्शन की तैयार करते हैं। ट्रांजेक्शन जो की रहता है वो क्या करता है, वो एक क्रिप्टेड फॉर्मेट में अपने को डॉक्यूमेंट का जो अपना जो डॉक्यूमेंटेड फाइल है उसका एक हैश की बनाता है। हैश की क्या करता है कि वो 64 बिट्स 64 उसका लेंथ रहता है हैश की का। तो हैश की क्या रहता है कि 012 हैश इस फॉर्मेट में रहता है। तो वो जब हम क्रिप्ट करने जाए, या फिर कोई अटैकर अगर हमारे डॉक्यूमेंट्स के साथ उसको हैक करने का ये करे, ट्राई करे, तो हैक नहीं होता है। उसको वो जो डॉक्यूमेंट उसको जो हैक करना है उसके लिए उसको वो की जो रहती है वो इनक्रिप्ट करनी पड़ती है, जो एक बहुत लंबा प्रोसेस होता है। सो ब्लॉकचेन हमको ये हेल्प करता है कि जब तुम्हारा भी कौन सा भी डॉक्यूमेंट अगर हो, अगर तुम हमारे टेक्नोलॉजी के थ्रू जाते हो, तो तुमको एक वेरीफाइड हैश की मिलेगा। अगर तुमको अब बाद में कहीं पे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में जाना हो, तो तुम फिजिकल डॉक्यूमेंट्स कैरी करने के अलावा तुम बस ट्रांजेक्शन की कैरी करो। वो ट्रांजेक्शन की वो इंस्टेंट वेरिफिकेशन के लिए तुम्हें यूज होगा। अभी एग्जांपल लो, अगर समझो आप बिग आईटी इंडस्ट्री कंपनी में हो, तो इंडस्ट्री में क्या करना है आपको, अगर बैकग्राउंड वेरिफिकेशन करना है तो आप वही प्रोसेस मैन्युअली बार बार करोगे कि लाइक प्रेजेंटिंग एंड डॉक्यूमेंट्स, फिर वो किसी प्रोसेस के लिए जाएगा, फिर या कुछ आपका डेटा है उसको उधर जाके अपलोड करना है, फिर वो मैनुअल प्रोसेस होगा, टाइम लेगा, बहुत सारा ये जो मैनुअल और फिजिकल प्रोसेस है, तो ये सब हो रहा। उसकी जगह पे आप ये काम करो, आप ब्लॉकचेन का एक ट्रांजेक्शन के लेके जाओ, वो एक इंस्टेंट वेरीफाई होके निकल जाएगा, ठीक है। सो ये रहा ब्लॉकचेन का इम्प्लीमेंटेशन इसलिए किया जाता है कि हमें कुछ फास्टर और रिलायबल प्रोसेस, मतलब प्रोसेस करने को मिले, इंस्टेंट वेरिफिकेशन होता है, ठीक है। तो ये रहा प्रोजेक्ट में और ब्लॉकचेन में कैसे इंटीग्रेशन करने का। तो इससे आपको आइडिया आ चुका होगा कि ब्लॉकचेन कैसे काम करता है, ठीक है। तो अभी समझ लेते हैं ब्लॉकचेन का वर्किंग और ब्लॉकचेन में क्या क्या रहता है, ठीक है। हाँ, सो शेयर्ड लेजर आप भी यहाँ पे आप दे सकते हो, मैंने मेंशन किया है शेयर्ड लेजर। तो ये लेजर क्या रहता है कि एक स्प्रेडशीट पे है ना, एक कॉमन डेटा है ना, वो स्टोर होता है। जब भी ब्लॉकचेन में क्या होता है कि ब्लॉक्स तैयार किए जाते हैं, हर ब्लॉक में उसका एक सेपरेट ट्रांजैक्शन हिस्ट्री होता है। तुम्हारा जो भी डेटा होगा वो ब्लॉकचेन के ब्लॉक्स में स्टोर होगा। ब्लॉकचेन में कैसे स्टोर होगा अभी दिखाता हूँ। अभी ये हमारा ब्लॉक है, इसमें आपका डेटा होगा, इसमें आपका ये डेटा है, ठीक है। अभी ये डेटा जो है, इसको मेरे को ब्लॉकचेन में मैं जब इम्प्लीमेंट करता हूँ तो उसके ब्लॉक्स तैयार किए जाते हैं। ब्लॉक नंबर 1, ब्लॉक नंबर 2, ब्लॉक नंबर 3, ब्लॉक नंबर 4। ये जो ब्लॉक्स है इसमें आपका डेटा स्टोर हुआ रहता है और एक दूसरे से ये अटैच होते हैं। ये जो ब्लॉक है इसमें आपका किया हुआ ट्रांजेक्शन स्टोर होता है, ठीक है। जब आप ट्रांजेक्शन स्टोर करते हो तो इसका एक रेप्लिकेट कॉपी हर एक डिवाइस में जाता है। हर एक डिवाइस में इसका रेप्लिकेट कॉपी जाते रहता है, ठीक है। तो ये जो है ना, ये इम्यूटेबल रहता है। मगर अगर आपका एक बार वेरीफाई हो चुका है तो वो कंप्लीटली वेरीफाइड है। उसके बाद आपको उसको एडिट कर ही नहीं सकते। उसके लिए आपको बहुत सारा एक लंबा प्रोसीजर को जाना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि जब भी आप कौन सा भी चेंजेस अगर करते हो ब्लॉकचेन में या ब्लॉक में, तो कंप्लीट उसका हैश की चेंज होता है। फिर आपको अगर कौन सा भी डॉक्यूमेंट वेरीफाई करना हो या रिट्राइव करना हो तो इम्पॉसिबल होता है, ठीक है। तो इसका बेस्ट हम कर सकते हैं जब हमको कोई वेरिफिकेशन या कोई इंस्टेंट वेरिफिकेशन करना हो या फिर केवाईसी करनी हो बैंकिंग सेक्टर्स में, तो यहाँ पे ये यूज होता है, ठीक है। इसका बेस्ट एग्जांपल अगर आपको बताऊंगा, बिटकॉइन है, डिजिटल कॉइन। एक बहुत लंबा माइनिंग कॉइन्स होते हैं, जैसे कि इथेरियम रहा, फिर बाइटकॉइन है, रिपल है। अगर हम अभी ब्लॉकचेन के बारे में अगर डिटेल में भी जाए तो भी एक इट्स लाइक अ डीप ओशन, ठीक है। हम जितना मतलब जितना डीप जाएंगे उतना वो वास्ट होते जाएगा, ठीक है। ओके, सो ऐसे है। तो ब्लॉकचेन आते हैं दो टाइप में। एक पहले हम आपको ब्लॉकचेन कैसे वर्क करता है दिखाएंगे, ठीक है। तो सबसे पहले है ब्लॉक हेडर। ब्लॉकचेन का ब्लॉक डिवाइड होता है एक 5 स्टेप्स में। उसमें जो अपना फर्स्ट रहता है ब्लॉक हेडर। तो ब्लॉक हेडर क्या करता है कि जो हमने ट्रांजेक्शन किया था उसका पहला हैश, टाइम स्टैम्प एंड उसका एक सीक्रेट लिंक तैयार करता है, ठीक है, ब्लॉक्स ये करने के लिए। दूसरा है ब्लैक बॉडी। सो ये क्या करता है कि जितने भी अभी तक ट्रांजेक्शन हुए हैं ब्लॉक में, उसको होल्ड करने का काम ये ब्लॉक करता है, ठीक है। इसका जो रिकॉर्ड है इसमें, सब रिकॉर्ड इसमें स्टोर होता है ब्लैक बॉडी में। थर्ड जो रहता है अपना हैश फंक्शन। सो हैश फंक्शन क्या काम करता है कि एक यूनिक फिंगरप्रिंट तैयार करता है जो हर एक ब्लॉक से ज्वाइन होता है। सो इससे क्या होता है, ये फिंगरप्रिंट क्या रहता है, एक डिजिटल फॉर्म में का एक ये रहता है, क्रिप्टेड स्क्रिप्ट रहता है, ठीक है। तो ये स्क्रिप्ट क्या करता है हमको, जब भी हम अगर वेरिफिकेशन का जाते हैं तो इस हैश की को हम कैरी करके ले जा सकते हैं। आपको पूरा डॉक्यूमेंट वेरीफाई करने की जरूरत नहीं है, ठीक है। दूसरा है फोर्थ स्टेप इसमें ब्लॉकचेन का सीक्वेंस, ठीक है। ये ब्लॉकचेन सीक्वेंस क्या करता है कि ब्लॉक्स को मेंटेन करता है एक ऑर्डर में, क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर में, ठीक है। फिफ्थ है डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड नोट्स। सो मल्टीपल कंप्यूटर्स क्या करते हैं कि तुम्हारा जो डेटा है वो मल्टीपल कंप्यूटर्स में स्टोर हुआ रहता है इन अ एंटायर ब्लॉकचेन, ओके। तो ये रहा अपना वर्क प्रोसेस, ठीक है। तो अब हम जाएंगे उसके कोर प्रॉपर्टीज क्या है, ओके। जस्ट अ सेकेंड में चेक करता हूँ किसी के डाउट से, ओके। हाँ, तो उसके प्रॉपर्टीज के बारे में हम अभी पढ़ेंगे, ठीक है। सबसे पहला जो ब्लॉकचेन में सबसे पहला जो प्रॉपर्टीज है, जो मेन प्रॉपर्टी उसकी है, वो है उसका डिसेंट्रलाइजेशन। कौन सा भी अथॉरिटी को, सिंगल सिस्टम को अथॉरिटी नहीं रहती है कि वो डॉक्यूमेंट जो है उसको मेंटेन करे, ठीक है। मल्टीपल इंडिपेंडेंट नोड रहते हैं, मल्टीपल इंडिपेंडेंट नोड रहते हैं जो एक लेजर के फॉर्मेट में स्टोर रहते हैं, ठीक है। जब हम अभी ये जो है ना अथॉरिटी, उसको है ना हम डिवाइड करते रहते हैं, मतलब लाइक क्या होता है कि हर पब्लिक सेक्टर में क्या होता है, पब्लिक ब्लॉकचेन्स में क्या होता है, 4 टाइप्स की ब्लॉकचेन रहते हैं, पब्लिक रहता है, प्राइवेट रहता है, कॉन्सोर्टियम रहता है, हाइब्रिड रहता है। पब्लिक ब्लॉकचेन जो रहता है वो होता है कंप्लीटली विजिबल टू ऑल, मतलब हर कोई देख सकता है ट्रांजेक्शंस कि किसने किसको क्या भेजा है, ठीक है। ये जो रहता है वो रहता है पब्लिक ब्लॉकचेन में। वही अगर हम बात करें प्राइवेट ब्लॉकचेन में, तो प्राइवेट ब्लॉकचेन में उसका जो डेटा रहता है वो जो माइनर है और वो जो क्या बोलते हैं उसको यूजर है उनके बीच में रहता है, लाइक दे आर विजिबल। इसका एक बेस्ट एग्जांपल अगर मैं बताऊं आपको प्राइवेट ब्लॉकचेन का, आप कंसिडर करो कि आप एक बैंक में हो, तो बैंक का जो एम्प्लॉय है और बैंक का जो क्लर्क है और आप जो है, तो आप दोनों को विजिबल रहता है आपका डेटा। तो ये रहा कि एक एग्जांपल है कि प्राइवेट ब्लॉकचेन ऐसे वर्क होता है, लाइक एक सिक्योरिटी सिस्टम है, अकाउंट है, तो अकाउंट उस बैंक के पास भी रह रहा है, मेरे पास भी रह रहा है, मेरे को भी दिख रहा है ट्रांजेक्शन, उसको भी दिख रहा है, लेकिन थर्ड पर्सन को नहीं दिख रहा है। वही पब्लिक ब्लॉकचेन क्या करता है कि ट्रांजेक्शन देख सकता है सबके, ठीक है। तो ऐसा रहता है। तो सेकेंड है अपना इम्यूटेबिलिटी। सो ये जो ब्लॉकचेन्स रहते हैं वो रहते हैं क्रिप्टोग्राफिक फॉर्म में, जो जिसको हम अल्टर नहीं कर सकते हैं, एनी टैम्परिंग अटेम्प्ट्स एंड इजीली डिटेक्टेबल ड्यू टू क्रिप्टोग्राफी, ठीक है। थर्ड बात है ट्रांसपेरेंसी। और सारे जो रिकॉर्ड्स है वो वेरीफाई है पार्टिसिपेंट से, ठीक है। फिर हम बात करेंगे अवेलेबिलिटी। डेटा जो रहता है वो अक्रॉस ऑल द ब्लॉक्स खुद दिखता है, लेकिन उसको अगर किसी को क्रिप्ट करना हो तो वो इम्पॉसिबल हो जाएगा। एक हाई रेजिलियंस और करता है, फिर वो टाइम लाइक साइबर अटैक्स को अवॉइड करने का काम ये ब्लॉकचेन करता है। तो अभी हम बात करेंगे कंसेंसस मैकेनिज्म, ओके। तो ये मैकेनिज्म ये ब्लॉकचेन जो हेल्प करता है कि हमें प्रूफ ऑफ वर्क और प्रूफ ऑफ स्टेक, ये जो दो टर्म है इसको इनिशियलाइज करने में, ठीक है। तो अभी हम बात करेंगे प्रूफ ऑफ वर्क क्या होता है। सो क्या होता है, जब माइनर्स को किसी भी एक ब्लॉक को अगर इनिशियलाइज करना हो तो उसको एक मैथमेटिकल पजल सॉल्व करना पड़ता है, ठीक है। तो माइनर्स क्या करते हैं कि जो क्रिप्टोग्राफी पजल्स है तो वो सॉल्व करते हैं। इसमें क्या होता है, जब हमें किसी भी डॉक्यूमेंटेशन का अगर उसको बताना है, मतलब प्रूफ देना है कि हमने उसमें जो माइनर ने क्या काम किया है, तो उसके लिए क्या होता है कि एनर्जी यूज होती है, तो इसका एनर्जी कंजप्शन ज्यादा रहता है। इट कैन ब्लॉकचेन बट है अगर कुछ एंड जो सिक्योरिटी हम जो बात है सिक्योरिटी, ठीक है। तो इसको हमको हम तो साइज हार्डवेयर अभी ये ब्लॉकचेन किया जाता है कि सॉलिडिटी लैंग्वेज थ्रू कॉन्स भी कॉन्स लाइक इट इज एन एनर्जी इंटेंसिव और ट्रांजेक्शन स्पीड है वो लिटिल स्लोअर होगा, ओके। सो दिस इज व्हाट द प्रूफ ऑफ वर्क। एंड टॉकिंग अबाउट प्रूफ ऑफ स्टेक, लाइक जब ट्रांजेक्शन माइन होता है तो एक जो रहता है उसमें का वो रहता है वैलिडेटर। वैलिडेटर क्या काम करता है, वैलिडेटर का बेसिकली काम होता है जो ट्रांजेक्शन आया है उसको आप वैलिडेट करो, उसका ओनरशिप जो रहेगा वो करो, वो डिपेंड होता है वैलिडेटर्स के ऊपर, ठीक है। अभी प्रूफ ऑफ स्टेक में क्या होता है कि आपको है ना एनर्जी एफिशिएंट लगती है, लाइक लो पावर का कंजप्शन होता है, सो वी कैन आइदर गो फॉर पावर ऑफ वर्क, प्रूफ ऑफ वर्क और प्रूफ ऑफ स्टेक। लाइक प्रूफ ऑफ वर्क जो रहता है वो रहता है माइनर्स के लिए, जो जहाँ पे उनको ब्लॉक माइंड करना रहता है, और यहाँ पे रहता है प्रूफ ऑफ स्टेक, यहाँ पे वैलिडेटर्स का काम रहता है कि जो जो ट्रांजेक्शन आया है उसको वैलिडेट करे या नहीं, ठीक है। थर्ड है सिक्योरिटी। इसका जो सिक्योरिटी रहता है वो स्टिक कंट्रोल के हाथ में रहता है, लाइक वैलिडेटर्स के हाथ में रहता है, इसका जो पूरा जो प्रोसेस है तो उसके हाथ में रहता है। जो हायर लेवल के थ्रूपुट है, सेकेंड लेवल्स के जो ये रहते हैं वेरिफिकेशन रहते हैं, वो वेरीफाइड्स करते हैं, लाइक जो वैलिडेटर्स उधर रहते हैं तो वो करते हैं। और ये जो प्रूफ ऑफ स्टेक है तो हम इसको है ना पीसी के थ्रू, पर्सनल पीसी जो रहते हैं उसके ऊपर हम उसको काम कर सकते हैं, ठीक है। सो इसका प्रोज क्या है कि एक फास्टर है, एनर्जी एफिशिएंट है, इंक्लूसिव है। कॉन्स क्या है कि लाइक इट्स अ न्यूअर मॉडल एंड इकोनॉमिकली थोड़ा कॉम्प्लेक्स होगा। लाइक नाउ द बिग टर्म कम्स हियर, लाइक इज स्मार्ट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स। ओके, so this is the main, like what we said, concept over here, like smart contracts. So what are the smart contracts? As I have written here, that smart contracts are the program that stored on a blockchain that automatically execute when defined condition are met. So smart contracts में क्या रहता है कि जब भी हम स्क्रिप्ट करते हैं अपने डेटा के लिए तो उसका एक स्क्रिप्टिंग इफ देन के फॉर्म में स्टोर रहता है। जैसे हमने अभी अपने कोडिंग लैंग्वेज में काम किया होगा, वहां पे क्या होता है कि आप इफ एंड देन के फॉर्म में कोड्स लिखते जाते हो। तो स्मार्ट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स क्या करता है कि अपने ब्लॉकचेन के स्क्रिप्ट, ब्लॉकचेन्स के लिए एक स्क्रिप्ट लिखा जाता है। वो जो स्मार्ट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स रहते हैं वो एक डिजिटल डॉक्यूमेंट रहता है, लाइक स्क्रिप्टेड ये रहता है। इसको स्क्रिप्ट कर सकते हैं हम सॉलिडिटी के यूज से, सॉलिडिटी स्क्रिप्टिंग लैंग्वेज की तरफ से हम उसको यूज कर सकते हैं, ठीक है। सो क्या करता है, they run deterministically triggered by transactions or events, enabling trustless information and agreement without intermediaries. इसमें इंटरमीडिएटर्स का जरूरत नहीं पड़ता है। सो दिस इज व्हाट द स्मार्ट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स वर्क। ओके ओके, सो ब्लॉकचेन जो रहते हैं वो रहते हैं दो टाइप के। सबसे पहले आता है पब्लिक ब्लॉकचेन, ठीक है, एंड दूसरा है प्राइवेट ब्लॉकचेन। सो इसके की डिफरेंस हम जान के लेते हैं। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल पब्लिक ब्लॉकचेन के बारे में जानेंगे, ठीक है। पब्लिक ब्लॉकचेन रहता है परमिशन लेस रहते हैं, लाइक कोई भी आ सकता है, ज्वाइन कर सकता है, एंड ओपन कम्युनिटी है गवर्नेंस के लिए। लोअर टीपीएस है, डिसेंट्रलाइजेशन होने की वजह से उसका टाइम जो है वो कम रहता है, और इसका जो एड्रेस प्राइवेसी रहता है वो सीडोनोमस रहता है, ठीक है। अभी इसको पब्लिक ब्लॉकचेन्स कहाँ पे यूज कर सकते हैं हम, पेटीएम है, डीएफएस है, एनएफटीज है, वहां पे यूज कर सकते हैं। एग्जांपल लाइक बिटकॉइन और इथेरियम, लाइक अपने क्रिप्टो करेंसी अगर आप किसी ने आपको अगर जानते होगी, लाइक डिजिटल माइनिंग जो रहता है तो वो हम कर सकते हैं इधर। प्राइवेट ब्लॉकचेन में क्या रहता है कि ये इसमें है ना परमिशन लगता है, लाइक इस पे है ना कुछ गवर्नमेंट अथॉरिटीज का रिस्ट्रिक्शन रहता है। अगर मेरे को कोई चीज अगर उसमें जाना हो, मतलब अगर कुछ मेरे को एक्सेस करना हो तो मेरे को मल्टीपल यूजर से वो उसका एक्सेस लेना पड़ता है। अगर हायर अथॉरिटी ने अगर मेरे को डिनाई किया एक्सेस तो मेरे को जीचे का जो वैलिडेटर है, मतलब वैलिडेटर्स को प्रॉब्लम आता है वो डॉक्यूमेंट वैलिडेट करने में, ठीक है। इसका जो ऑर्डर रहता है वो रहता है गवर्न बाय एंटरप्राइजेस, ठीक है। इसका टीपी हायर रहता है, रहते हैं। हाँ, अगर मैं इसका आपको बात करना चाहूँ, इसका एक एग्जांपल है, लाइक यूज केसेस रिकॉर्ड कीपिंग के लिए यूज कर सकते हैं। एग्जांपल हाइपरलेजर फैब्रिक कोरम, ठीक है। हाइपरलेजर फैब्रिक क्या है कि एक टाइप का ये जो है ना कि ब्लॉकचेन का खुद का एक नेटवर्क बनाता है, जहाँ पे पब्लिक ब्लॉकचेन का खुद का एक ब्लॉक्स रहता है, मतलब नेटवर्क रहता है। वही हाइपरलेजर क्या करता है कि खुद का एक ब्लॉकचेन नेटवर्क तैयार करता है। अभी आपको अगर मैं एग्जांपल बताने जाऊँ, समझो अगर मेरे को एक गवर्नमेंट अभी मेरे कॉलेज का मेरे को डेटाबेस बनाने का है, ठीक है, और मेरे को जो स्टूडेंट का डेटा है वो मेरे को वेरीफाई करके मेरे डेटाबेस में रखने का है। मे बी एक वर्स्ट केस में क्या हो सकता है, मेरा डेटा करप्ट हो सकता है, लॉस्ट हो सकता है, या फिर कोई मेरे डेटाबेस को आके हैक भी कर सकता है वर्स्ट केस में। ओके, तो मैं क्या करूंगा, मैं इस समय में यूज करूंगा प्राइवेट ब्लॉकचेन। प्राइवेट ब्लॉकचेन क्या करेगा, एक अभी मैं हाइपरलेजर फैब्रिक को कैसे इंटीग्रेट करूंगा, ठीक है। मैं क्या करूंगा, एक डॉकर लूंगा, राइट, डॉकर टेक्नोलॉजी यूज करूंगा। डॉकर टेक्नोलॉजी में क्या करूंगा, हाइपरलेजर फैब्रिक जो इसका स्क्रिप्टिंग लैंग्वेज रहता है SHA-256 में लिखा जाता है, ठीक है। SHA-256 क्या करता है, SHA-256 एक रेंज है, वो क्या करता है, एक नेटवर्क तैयार करता है ब्लॉकचेन का खुद के अंदर। लाइक डॉकर में उसका खुद का एक प्राइवेट नेटवर्क तैयार करता है ब्लॉकचेन में, और उसको एक्सेस देता है, रिस्ट्रिक्शन देता है। वही पब्लिक ब्लॉकचेन में क्या होता है कि उसका कंप्लीट एक्सेस जो रहता है वो माइनर्स, वैलिडेटर्स वो सब देखते रहते हैं। वही प्राइवेट में एक दूसरे को जानते हैं, ठीक है। हाइपरलेजर क्या करता है, खुद का एक नेटवर्क तैयार करता है ब्लॉकचेन में यूजिंग विद डॉकर्स, क्यूबरनेट्स, इस तरह की टेक्नोलॉजीज है, ठीक है। तो दिस इज व्हाट द ब्लॉकचेन आर्किटेक्चर्स। ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल the first layer is that network layer. What does the network do? That it creates an peer to peer connection, like enabling node communication and data exchange whenever we need to exchange the data among these the blocks. This is a network layer which helps us to exchange the data between the two blocks, like, and maintaining the chronological order of data blocks. Okay. Second is consensus layer. Okay. So what this consensus layer do, that it protocols ensuring agreements across the ledger nodes. इसका एक agreement जो रहता है वो ensure करता है, that is that whether that block is solved by a proper miner or not. Okay. Then third is data layer. So data layer जो रहता है वो Merkle trees के फॉर्म में स्टोर रहता है. Merkle trees like हैश, अगर हैश है तो हैश 0101 इस फॉर्म में रहता है. आपको Merkle tree का एग्जांपल दिखाता हूँ. So Merkle tree, what they do actually do is that now just this is 0. As I said, that blockchain uses a scripting language that is stored in either format of 0 1 hash. Okay. So what it does that it's used as a systems like backtracking. Okay. This is here. 0 1. Just a second. Yes. तो व्हाट इज मर्कल टू दैट, जब अभी हम क्रिप्ट करने जब भी हम एक डेटा क्रिप्ट होता है तो मर्कल ट्रीज के फॉर्म में स्टोर रहता है, लाइक हैशिंग में. जब भी बैक ट्रैकिंग का अगर आपको प्रोसेस पता हो, लाइक डेप्थ कैन बीएफएस डीएफएस अगर पता हो, वो डेप्थ में जाते हैं, फिर उसमें से वो रिटर्न बैक ट्रैक करके आप उस कोड पे रीच होते हो. तो दिस इज व्हाट हाउ द मर्कल ट्री इज सिमिलर टू इट. ओके. Okay. Fourth layer is execution layer. After this completing all these three layers, execution layer helps that to create in virtual machines, like executing the smart contracts. The whatever we executed till now, like we have created smart contracts, we have deployed our data on blockchains, we have deployed documents, created blockchains, and created transactions. All this execution work is done by the execution layer. The very well last layer is that application layer. It provides an user for interfaces for like services are there, like it provides an interface for user to put up their documents and get verified. Okay. Okay. So you have security fundamentals, hashes, and multitrees. So first of all, it is public key cryptography. So what does the blockchain do? It provides a signature or verify authentication. As I said, that it provides a hash function. That hash is stored in 64 format key structure like the 0101 and hash format. Okay. So this hash function, as I said in that private network, that they for Bitcoin and 𝐾𝐞𝐳 256 for Ethereum. Okay. So these are some of the Bitcoins which uses hash functions. Merkle trees, as I said now, that this aggregated by verified large data sets efficiently by paid transaction, like then pairing over the both transaction. So what is this? This is what the Merkle tree actually does. Okay. Nonce and difficulty. Okay. There is a parameter in proof of working like regulated blockchain creation. वो जो blockchain का जो regulation रहता है उसका maintain करने का काम जो रहता है वो nonce and difficulty यहाँ पे किया जाता है. Next is what finality. ट्रांजेक्शन कंफर्मेशन होता है यहाँ पे, लाइक इट वेरीज प्रोबेबिलिस्टिक इन बिटकॉइन वर्सेस डिटरमिनिस्टिक इन पीओएस सिस्टम. जैसे मैंने अभी मेंशन किया था कि प्रूफ ऑफ वर्क और प्रूफ ऑफ स्टेक में क्या होता है, तो ये जो रहता है वो फाइनलिटी में किया जाता है. अभी अटैक टाइप्स, 51% अटैक वेयर मेजॉरिटी कंट्रोल्स माइनिंग एंड फिजिकल यूजर्स. ठीक है. तो ये जो है कि अटैकर्स को एक इम्पॉसिबल हो जाता है ब्लॉकचेन का लेयर जो रहता है वो ये करने में, हैक करने में. ठीक है. केस स्टडीज लाइक बिटकॉइन, इथेरियम एंड इंटरप्राइजेस. ओके. सो हम यहाँ पे बात करेंगे बिटकॉइन के बारे में. ठीक है. तो बिटकॉइन का क्या है, उसका पर्पस क्या है कि अपने को पीयर टू पीयर कैश तैयार करना है. ओके. वो प्रूफ ऑफ वर्क नकामोटो. ओके. So Nakamoto is the person who has introduced the blockchain technology. Okay, Satoshi Nakamoto. Yes. It takes around 10 minutes for creating a block. Okay, it has a strongest security, and we can use this for cross-border payments. Okay, Ethereum is there for creating smart contracts and creating proof of stake. It takes nearly about 12 seconds. We can use this for EVM execution, NFIT ecosystems, decentralized applications, and all. Hyperledger Fabric. It's an enterprise solution. Like it is a permission based. Okay, and it depends upon its variable, like variables and module channels are there. We can use this for supply chain management. Okay, so this is what all about the blockchain and technologies, and what the technologies they use, how they work, what is there. uh Apart from this, I want to share you something. Just a second. Yeah. Mm, okay. Let me tell you once that how the blockchain actually works, like taking an example. Now imagine you want to send one Bitcoin. Okay, for example, first of all, what I will do, I will initiate that transaction. This transaction become as a request, okay, for the miner and validators also. Okay, that is request is broadcasted into one network. Okay, so what they do that these nodes are that now the nodes are verified by the transactions are using a consensus mechanism. As I said, that consensus mechanism. So this consensus mechanism is an algorithm which is used for verifying the transactions. Okay, once my block is get verified, then block is linked to the another block, and it becomes a permanent part of that chain. While that blockchain hash is linked with the other previous hash. Okay, what's the really cool thing is that verification doesn't depend on the bank or person. It is done by the central network itself, by making it decentralized and tamper proof. Okay, this is what the I want to say about that work process. Okay, coming to the next. Now we will understand this where we can use this in real world applications. Like we are talking about this blockchain and technology and all, but where we can really use these applications. Okay, so first of all, in finance, where we can use that, most popular example is like cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin and Ethereums are used for CDBCs, like central bank digital currencies. Then supply chain is there. um, Companies like Walmart, they use blockchain to track food from farmers to store, improving transparency and safety. Okay, we can use this in healthcare systems. Okay, this blockchain is like completely technical thing, but we are related with the medical things also, like natural things also. Integration of natural things like healthcare is in sector where we can use this like in hospitals for sharing medical data securities between doctors and patients and labs over there also. And voting systems are there, as you know that there is an like call by voting system that there was an voting problem, like a blockchain based voting system that can make electrons tamper proof and transparent. Then real estate is there for land registration, like you don't know whether the person is like true or not, and you are buying land from someone, and you don't know whether the person is true or not, or whether he's the selling the client is governed land or his own land. So we can check that this by like our technology, like proof of documents, by using proof of mechanisms. We can verify their details. And land registration, we can implement this in land registration systems also. Okay, like in gaming systems also, like you can actually own your digital assets, like uh, skin characters or networks. Okay, in education system, very well, when I was talking about my project, that there was a problem from government of Jharkhand, that many of the students were providing fake degrees, creating fake like certificates and all. So as I said, that in education system, if we implement projects like blockchain projects, it will be really helpful, that going through and complete verified process, very secure process, where a process where documents you get verified instantly, by maintaining a transparency, also by maintaining a peer-to-peer network where it becomes a complete hard thing to change with the data. Okay, so this is the real world examples where we can use. Okay, coming to the next, uh, we have some challenges also. Okay, so as I said about blockchain, there are some challenges also, like it takes an higher energy consumption. Okay, in especially in proof of work like systems like Bitcoin systems, it takes a very high energy consumption is there. Then scalability is there, like processing thousands of blocks in a transaction per second becomes a very hectic thing to maintain in this all the database systems. Okay, and legalities, like regulatories, uncertainties, and data privacy may be concerns. Okay, so common myth is that blockchains Bitcoin, not Bitcoin, but it's just a use case of blockchain. Okay, it's completely anonymous and it is unhackable. Okay, this is what the blockchain is. Yes. uh just I will share a thing. Yeah, any of them have any questions? It's a like, I will be very okay with it. If you ask me question, I will be able to answer. Like, yeah.
Yeah,
Actually, oh, sorry for
we have couple of
sorry for the
questions in the.
yes, yes.
Yeah, yeah. Go ahead, Aryan.
Actually, I am sitting in my home. Like, it's the area. Not I'm. If my voice is getting broken, I would be.
No, 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 sure.
I'm
At that
audible.
time,
Like,
it was. Yeah. Now you're audible.
yes. Any questions? Like,
Yeah, we have couple of questions in live chat, and before that, it was a really good, well-crafted presentation. I myself know less about blockchain technology, though this was really insightful. Thank you, Aryan. And I myself coming from Dhoni City, Ranchi, so it was shocking to know that government of Jharkhand is facing this. But I have a verified
actually,
certificate.
Ac- Actually, the thing is that, ma'am, actually, this blockchain technology is there now. It is like in
Yeah,
deep oceans. Like many of the things get changed day by day. Like as I said that some of the facing this type of issues. Maybe
yes,
blockchains. First of all, blockchain like cryptocurrency is not legal in India. So talking about
yeah,
that thing, and maybe many insights are changed. And I want to say that I have learned this by project-based learning I have done. So that's why also I am not so much aware about this technology. But as per my knowledge, as per my project working, and as per whatever knowledge I have received from my research papers, and that was what I was expressed. Okay, and whenever I have this token, this I have taken more than 2 sessions on this blockchain technology in my college itself for SH preparation, and for one another last year also I was participating in SH. So same technology I have introduced over there also. The question that they have raised me about like this technology was like thinking about like beyond. They have said that uh, we have no any awareness about this technology. Okay, many of the like government also don't have any so much knowledge, means awareness about this technology. That's why they have not introduced this technology right now. I would like to say that about Aadhaar cards. Like people what they do, that they know that Aadhaar card is the digital verified document. Then what's the need of this blockchain technology? Already it's been verified. So what I have faced that there are many of the like Aadhaar card provides a platform for verification, but Aadhaar card can be created in many types also. Many, it can be mutable. Like I can create 2 to 3 Aadhaar cards. Okay, but what the innovative approach we can do this that while Aadhaar card and digital lockers provides a platform for just storage, we will increasing this maintaining traceability. Like we can't stop this corruption. Like okay, but we can maintain it by keeping a transparency, like transparency. Okay, traceability we can maintain. Like who has been issued document. Like some of the people what they do, that they provide an document and they do some forgery. They do barriers. Like if there is an education system is corrupted, Okay, so in that case, what we can do, that in that case only blockchain can get verified, like documents get verified, but not by not keeping it 100% corrupted free, but we can at least maintain the traceability over there. Okay, this is what the actually blockchain implementation we can do. Yes. Any questions? Like
That is
I was.
exactly phenomenal because you just not focusing on theoretical part. It was really thoughtful that you know, combining both of how you applied it also. So yeah, that's very great, Aryan. Let's take some of the question from the live chat itself. Okay. So I'm just speaking the question. You will answer it. Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes.
So the first question is: was there ever a project or task that really challenged you? How did you deal with it and keep going?
Okay, I have worked on project that is my college project is that is authenticity validator, KYC verification using blockchain. Okay, so I have worked on that project. It was challenging is that I was using to take, like I was producing my documents on my network, and this blockchain is was going to verify my documents by creating hash keys. Okay, like I was using for this instant verification. The challenging thing is that whenever I was creating using this private blockchain, like where I was creating my own private network, so writing the scripts was hectic, like writing languages like solidity and like go, this type of language, this were very really impossible to learn, and like we can't learn this language or we can't practice over it. We have to go through that process, we have to study the encryption and encryption things. We have to go through very deep research. Until and unless you don't go with that deep research, you won't get like what to do. Like I was facing challenges in like storage systems, like I was continuously getting like questions like whether my really blockchain is really creating or not, whether it is getting verified or not. Basically I found challenges while testing that blockchains. Like I was connecting with cloud servers. Maybe someone can hack my cloud and then can get database, or either if even if I maintain my blockchain, then also cloud computing is the means, cloud storage is the medium. Attackers may attack, or uh, while creating the project also I have faced the challenges like creating private networks, like using hyperledger network. As I said, blockchain already we have many of the websites, like metamask is there for web3 configurations. You can use simulated blockchains. Okay, but creating an actual blockchain network was very hectic, like connecting with many of the peoples, like creating our own network. Like I have to I have to create a team, and then I have to work on it. Like I have to create one validator, I have to, like it is a work of group of people, so not a single person can work on it. So this was the challenging thing, like working on private blockchains, creating and networks, and getting actually blocks are creating or not. Like we don't know, because it is creating where digitally it is creating. Okay, so we don't know that either the block is really creating or not, whether it is going to process or not. Verification and testing is somewhat challenging over here. Hope you
Yeah,
get.
yeah. So the next question is for a student curious about blockchain. Where do you think they should start? Any specific tools or platform you would recommend?
If you want to go with that as your beginner, and you want to work with the blockchain, then just go for a just what you can do that, you can use Ganesh is there. It provides Ganesh application is there. It provides you Ethereum blockchains. Like there are free Ethereums, simulated Ethereums. You can use these blockchains for free. Okay, that means you can use these blockchains blocks. Okay, so they provide 100 Ethereum free for your working purpose, and you can implement this using Ganesh application is there, MetaMask is there. Either what I want to say, that if you are a beginner, go with the public blockchain, work with the public blockchain projects. Okay, so it is quite little bit easy to work with it, like it is in publicly accessible, so it can be very easy to access, and they provide ready-made miner blocks, so you don't need to mine and that and all. So go with the use Ganesh applications. Ganesh application is there. MetaMask, work with the MetaMask, use web3 configurations, work with Python, or go with the React. Use these technologies, you will be more compatible to work with it. And yes, go with the public blockchain platform. As I said that yeah, while creating project, just merge the main thing I want to say, that integration is very necessary. Even there is a chat gpt, even there are many of the tools, but what things matter that how you will integrate these things in your project. Like blockchain integration is quite difficult. Okay, you don't know whether the thing is going to happen and all, and this complete process, because it's a very complete, this is the process where it is hidden from ourselves. Okay, it is hidden because it is like gone through in a network that we can't access that which on which block it has been stored, because continuously blockchain transactions are going to be changed. So it was very hectic. You have to just like a need a miner and validator. So go with the public blockchains, work on it, make sure that there are many applications are there. You can use AI also, make sure that you integrate it properly. Yeah.
So apart from theories, learn from the case studies and application as well. Yeah, we
Yes.
can take. Okay, so a lot of beginners hesitate before contributing to open source. What would you say to someone who is nervous about taking the first step?
Okay. Talking about contribution, first of all, I would like to tell you that uh, not only on from like you are taking an organization and then contributing something, you are looking like you are thinking that whether I will share my PR, then it will be merged or not. So this was like a fearing thing, like uh, what will happen. Or many of the people lose confidence in over that. So initially, you start the beginning with yourself only. Okay, create groups in yourself. Like GSoC community is there. There are many of the peoples. Take a project on it. Work with togetherly. Okay, like project admins are there. They are providing projects. Work with them. Talk with them. Once you get started with giving small PRs, start with small PRs. Small start, first of all, explore the things. Once you explore the things, explore the projects, explore, maintain the documentations. If you once maintain the documentation, if you start go with the little bit processes, even though don't directly send PRs, first of all raise your queries, raise your answers. Whenever you will get an idea about it, then send a little bit PRs. And once you get PR confirmed, then after that you will boost your confidence itself only. Like how we started that, we have created our core club in our college. So what we have done that, we used to do open source contribution. Like we have created a project on that, and we have put up many of the contributors. Like what we have done, we have conducted 24-hour hackathon in our college. What we done in our hackathon, we have said it to that the people students that you just don't create the project, you create the project on GitHub and push to us. We will check and then we will verify. So it was an amazing thing. They have said that it is a new thing, like open source contribution in hackathons. Like they are sending a PR. So the thing is that whenever you work in a team, and discussion is very important, right? Discuss in the team, you will get you will boost your confidence, and start by sending small PRs. Either maybe it's code, maybe it's your query. Just go with that. Okay, then go with the step by step procedure. Don't get fear like directly contribution on that. Start itself by your community. Create your groups. Do with your groups that little bit work with GitHub. GitHub is a very good platform. Go over there. Many of the platforms are there, but GitHub is all comfortable. Okay. Start with your community. Let us share small PRs with your groups and communities. Then go for organizations. Understand their documents. Understand what the actual they required. You can use AI and all that. That what the organizations need, that you have to raise their issues. Whatever using whatever technology, just you have to solve their problems. Okay, this is what the organization requires. Okay, so yeah, go with the small PRs, go with the discussions, and you can ask to your mentors also. That's what all about the contribution. Like then and I think so. GirlScript Summer of Code is a good platform for beginners. Like my friends actually work on that. We also work on that, and we our PRs get merged over. So that's what. Discuss among yourself. Go with the small things. Yeah.
Yeah, take a deep breath and dive in without any hesitation.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, so how important do you think being a part of tech community like GirlScript is for a student growth? You can skip this part also if you think you've already
No, I would
covered
like to
it.
answer on this. I would
Yeah, yeah,
like to
sure.
answer. Uh, how like while girl script, I have seen many of the students are like many of the students who are working with like very from decent knowledge. Like, they don't know about means very tech knowledge. Okay, students from almost first year. Like I am the campus ambassador also of girl script of Summer of Code. And whenever I have shared this topic with my college, like I have taken a session on it over it, even first year students are very interesting to do on these things. Okay, while many one or two students are there, they have got their PRs merged in this organization also. They say that there are many working professionals also, students also, so we are not somewhere hesitate to work to work with our this community. So it provides open source for everyone, from lower age to many of the people are there, like from first year, second year, third year professionals are there apart from this. So thing is that it provides for beginners also very good opportunity. Like while other organizations, what they do, that what they expect, that they need a keen requirement of their PRs, like solutions and that all, and PRs don't get merged. Even they send lot of time PRs and are at they delete their PRs. Okay, so as a beginner, GirlScript of Summer of Code, that they provide always is that a platform where even beginners also can contribute properly, and they can raise the questioning, and they can be a good very good discussion over there. Like we have Discord out there. It's a good platform, like we can discuss with all the people, like youngster out there or with big professionals out there. Yeah, this is online.
Yeah.
So I want to say that.
Okay. Thank you, Aaron. And we are not promoting it. That's a genuine
No,
feedback we
that's
are
okay. But
getting
I
from
want to
us.
share my knowledge with the students, like open source contribution. Even we have came to know about this open source contribution before 1 year. Like currently we are in third year, and we were in final year,
Right.
and we have got come to know this in third year. So it was very like thing that I was too hesitated, but okay.
There's another question. Tech changes so fast. How do you personally keep yourself updated or motivated to keep learning new things with your
Okay.
tight
First of all, if
academic
you
of
want to,
engineering as well? I want to add it because engineering has a very long academic. So, yeah.
okay, engineering has a long academic, but really, I want to share that it is I'm sharing on YouTube. That's a big thing. Okay,
Yeah, sure.
I do project based learning things. Project based learning. Like if I don't know in technology, like I'm not compatible with any technology. What do I do that? I just watch a sessions on YouTube, like single session. What is actually the technologies? Directly I jump on projects. Directly, and what I do, like if I want to create one website, so what I do, uh, I uh, I take the I just explore the things. This is the React thing is there. Okay, so we are using React. Implement, go for a session, search that React, about React, create page. Then I will go for backend. Okay, so what is required for backend? Node.js is there. Study it little bit, then integrate in my project. Now I want to put up API integrations, making and connectivity. Then what I do, go search for API, check how it is working, implement it. Project based learning is the biggest thing to learn the technologies very easily and very keenly. So do more focus on project based learnings. Okay, it will help you to at least don't get a deep knowledge about that specific technology, but it makes you to how to use that technology. Okay, I think so. You can explore the technologies, right? But as ma'am has said it about engineering life and that all the subjects and that project based learning is the thing that you can go with it, and you can work with projects. So this will help you to like integrate new technologies in your projects also. Do project based learnings. Yes.
And how Aryan is cracking the exam in last day preparation? You can ask in DM also for that
Uh,
advices. And we have a
how?
last question. Yeah, yeah, sure.
Yes.
Go ahead.
No, no, yes. What was the question? You can recall this.
Balancing open source college project is in DC. How do you manage your time and stay consistent? Basically, time management, if you want to cover.
Time management.
Yeah.
Okay. Talking about time management, if you are very eager to learn things and do work, you don't waste time. Okay, once you have done with the college work, okay, just carry your laptop and go with the things, search. When you start exploring and when you do things, you don't you don't waste times. Okay, well, like many of there are now this blockchain technology. I have told about these things. Okay, many of these things covered my cloud related things also. Many of the things covered my web development things also. So this is what the things that it's in my syllabus also. So it helps me over there. So maintaining this simultaneous work is there, like maintaining my academics while doing this work. Maintenance, there should be a balance, like if you are learning technologies, make sure that it is similar to our projects also, like if they will help us to write answers. And genuine answer is that we are working with the cloud services, like our groups are working with, our college is working with the cloud projects also. So we have a subject to cloud computing over there also, but we were working from third year itself. So we have very like we don't need to learn bookish things also, like we can implement our knowledge in papers. So yeah, if an exam, even if there is an exams also, we can put our practical knowledge in that thing also, that it will help you to mix the balance between your academics and technical things also. So this is our turn to show. Yeah.
Okay, so and let me add one thing. Like most of the students face this, like too much of tech. We are in the generation, we are too much occupied with the technology everywhere. Like if you go to social media, there is another knowledge, there is something knowledge. So how do you think that digital detox is also important for a student? Like if you got too much into it, you how do you manage that? Like you know
Like which platform is good, like there are tech reels are there, there are something another things and that and all.
so much
I would like
distraction, like you can't
distraction, yes,
dedicate
yes.
24 hours to the education. Now, so how do you manage to you know come manage the break in between, and how do you make most of it?
Okay, taking my opinion about this, I want to say it like that. Actually, I don't go with
Like
that. I
I
will
want
study.
to address that you must also get burnout sometime. Like every day was not productive, right? So
Yeah,
you
yeah.
must feel
Really hectic.
burnout.
Sometimes
Maybe
I
the exams are clashing, something not working with the project. So you must have feel elated. So what you must
yes.
have to do is to take out from time and break. So I'm just pointing out that how do you manage that as a student? Yeah.
What I want to say that when the things happened with me in this, like last year, I have created one project. The project was very impressive by teachers and all, but whenever I went in the another person, external examiner, he was like, "This thing can't be happen, and you are creating these things. Like your idea is greater, okay, your idea is good, your implementation is you are doing, but this thing is not come yet, like. And then I was like, I have done such a good thing, such a project, and my teachers were also praising me. And then also and that exam time is there, and at last moment the external examiner says saying that this will not work and all. It was acting thing, like then what I did, I have taken break on this. I had not quitted that project. I have maintained it over it. Okay, just I have made the modifications. Okay, what the thing is that while you take a time, like okay, when you get once you have to clash with your projects, and at that time, what do you do? That just don't stop. Just what to do? Just find the innovative approaches for that things. While you are not getting an innovative approach, and then you are thinking that it will not work and all, go with the modifications. Okay, while you are doing some innovative things, like you have done any project and you want to do any innovative approach, and then you came to know that this will not work. So this can be a very hectic thing. Then and then you need like exams are there and that and all. So what to do? Hold on it, go for research and do modification, where you can't do innovation but you can do modifications also. And over that time, just keep your mind calm, so works will thing will go on. Okay, take your time, don't just get complete techie, and then you will face a lot of problems also, like because distraction, that many of the platform, like if I'm asking ChatGPT one thing, then he's giving me many of the things. So it becomes a distraction also over there, like this is right or this is wrong. Okay, so that time, just be calm, go with the things, like slowly do slow process, but explore more things. And then yes, time management and everything will be gone. Once you love the technologies, you start to do projects, learn with the technologies. Yeah, everything will be go fine. And talking about engineering exams and all, uh, I will recommend that um, uh, keeping notes and keeping timetable, fixing and schedule will be like very hectic thing. what do you is that uh, huh, go with the platform, like prefer YouTube sessions better, I would like to say. Like it will maintain your everything, like mood also, like, and your thing also, like your practical work also, professional works also, everything will be fine, like so.
Yeah, so that sum up really well. That's it. Thank you so much, Aryan, for joining us and taking out time to discuss on the blockchain. This session is really insightful, even if the student watch it later on. This will definitely brush up their concepts and fundamentals. And thank you so much for joining with us for the GSOC 2025 edition. And we wish you all the best for your
Yeah,
academic
thank
as well as the career advancement. So thank you so much. Anything you
yeah,
want
thank
to add at the end?
nothing, nothing I want to add. But just if you have any questions or any doubts or related any project related doubts, you just go with my LinkedIn profile and text me over there. On GirlScript Summer of Code, my LinkedIn profile is there. You can just visit over there and raise your questions. And if I would like to share the thing that I am not compatible with complete technology, but I have shared that what I've done, because this technology is like no, many. It is not like it's like ocean. Okay, so getting deeper into it, it can be active, but it's a very interesting thing that you have if you are going with this technology. Okay, yeah, go
Yeah,
with.
we really appreciate taking the first step. So yeah, thank you
Yeah,
so much.
thank you.
Okay. Yeah, thank you.